This review is of Whole Foods Market 365 sugar-free dark chocolate baking chips, 62% cacao. They're non-GMO. Sorry, this got cut off. It's fair trade certified cocoa. It's Parov, so in that respect, it's safe for Jews and Muslims. Let's see, sodium-free, vegetarian. There is a recipe here for oat bars that are those are what are pictured on the front, and so you might like that. And that's all there is to show you, really. Okay, so there are 50 calories per serving. Unfortunately, I don't know how big a serving is because somebody cut off that part. 5 grams of fat, of which 3.5 are saturated, no trans fats, cholesterol, or sodium. 8 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary fiber, so a net of 6. No sugars, 5 grams of sugar alcohols, 1 gram of protein. And here are the ingredients. It may contain milk. It doesn't, but it may. All right, let's taste it. It's held its color very well, pretty well, considering how long I have been waiting to eat these. What is that flavor? Oh, 62% fair trade. You know, for a sugar-free product that has erythritol and stevia, it actually tastes pretty nice. I mean, some of the sugar-free chocolate chips that I've tried are like kind of, yeah. This has kind of a cool feeling in the mouth. The flavor is kind of subdued, but it's nice. Not my favorite, but I would use it. I think I'd probably take a bigger mouthful, but honestly, I'm trying to minimize the amount of saturated fats I get every day because they're not good for my heart. I'm having some heart issues, so if I suddenly disappear off YouTube, you know why. I'll be dead. I'll give these a 7. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.